Here I will be taking a look at the tkinter scale widget. Consider this program statement and you can see that it's going to import tkinter as tk. So we now have all the facilities available to us from the tkinter module, and we can use tk to help reference those facilities. We know from previous work that this will create a tkinter window. Then we go to here and we can see that we're going to be creating an instance of the scale widget, and we're going to be associating that with my_window, which was the window created on the previous line. And here we're naming the scale object produced by this name, my_scale. So my_scale is the name that's bound to the scale widget within this computer program. We now move on to execute this, and we can see that this is the method that is invoked, and we are telling it to place itself in row 0, column 0 of the window. We now, of course, go to this program statement, and it will put the runtime into a main loop. And this is something we've looked at many times earlier in the playlist. The runtime is coming into view now, and what we can see is that this computer program has resulted in this scale widget being placed upon the tkinter window. Now if you look, you can see the slider is here and it's at position 0, and I can slide this along and you can see it's getting bigger and bigger, and it'll go all the way down to 100, and then I can slide it back, and as you can see the number at the side is actually changing, and I can bring it back to 0. Of course, this widget would be useful within your program graphical user interface for things like volume controls, maybe increasing or decreasing the size of an image. In the videos following this one, we'll be looking at the various options associated with the slider. Please consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell to ensure you get an update every time I upload a video. Maybe you would like to consider supporting the development of these free videos via Patreon. In addition, why not follow me on Twitter and also check out the supporting website.